Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 8th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is the zoo. Mog at the Zoo by Helen, Nicoll, and Jan Piankowski. Meg, Mog, and Al went to the zoo. They were interested in different animals, reptiles, small mammals, and big cats. The keepers looked at Mog. Has that zebra escaped? It's a tiger! Mog ran. Catch that cat! He flew past the flamingos. He zipped past the zebras. Catch that cat! The crocodiles gave him a cheer. Go, go, go! He turned to talk to the tigers. Great! Brilliant! Thanks! And ran slap into a tree. Boing! The keepers pounced. Got you! They put Mog in a cage and went away to look him up in a book. Hello, tiger! Meg flew to the rescue with one of her spells. Swap, swap, to and fro, chop, chop, let Mog go! Will it work? In a flash, Mog was free. She's done it again! Oh dear, oh dear! Meg sat in the cage for hours. What's that? Shh, don't point. It's a flying lady. An elephant gave her a bun. The animals went to sleep. At midnight, Meg thought of a spell. Ping pong, everything's wrong. Twist and shout, everybody out. Pandemonium broke out. Chatter, squawk, roar, howl, honk, squeak, meow, grunt, hoo, rattle, hiss, croak. Meg was saved. They call me king. My, you are strong. They had breakfast in a tree. Goodbye. The end. We're going to make a rocking cat. What you're going to need is your craft go kit, some crayons, markers, pens, pencils. I have crayons. You're going to need a glue or a glue stick. I have both. I have glue for the eyes and the nose and a glue stick for the arms and the legs and the head and the tail. Now your craft to go kit includes a folded paper plate. Yeah, it's folded because it'll rock. We got googly eyes. There's 2 of them. Pom-pom for our nose. Head. Tail. And 4 paws. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to color the head and tail however you'd like. I kind of liked Mog. I'm going to make him a little stripey. So I'm going to pull out my black crayon and start with that. I'm just going to go ahead and color both the head and the tail. If you don't want your paws to be black, they're white on the other side, you can color those. But I'm just going to leave my paws black. We'll go ahead and color, and then we'll come right back and we'll glue on the face. Okay, I finished coloring. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to glue the face on the head. So I'm using liquid glue to do that. It just sticks better than glue stick for things like this. There's the eyes. Again, I put way too much glue on, but it will dry clear. I'll put the nose right there. Okay, I think I will use the regular glue for the rest of this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue, kind of open this up a bit and glue the paws on so they stick out. Like that. So there's one. Oh. There's two. Kind of have to hold them on for a minute. Two out the back. Give me a little trouble there. I'll glue the head on here. It's a little bit more difficult than it looked like it would be to do, but I have faith in you. the head. And we got a stick in the tail. And I did the head on the wrong side. And that's all there is to it. And it rocks a little bit. And that's our rocking cat.